As we settle into this space together, I invite you to allow yourself to feel and to potentially not feel. Grounding into what is here right now, everything is okay to be here. There's no system or structure as to how you need to be in this moment. So this is a very gentle invitation for you to welcome this aspect of love, of respect, of compassion. Now gently placing your hand on your chest and just noticing your heartbeat. Putting a bit of pressure if you need to, or maybe lightly holding your hand over your chest. If you can close your eyes and tune in to your body, to this heart space, this will be the primary focus during this exercise. Allowing your belly to release, allowing your lower back to let go. You don't have to hold on to anything. You don't have to contain. Just letting your body soften into this experience. As you play in this space of self-love, what does that mean for you? What does that look like in your mind's eye? The images that come forward. How are you treating yourself? And can you play with honesty? If there were no veils in this moment, and you could invite more compassion, more understanding to who you are, to why you're here. What is it that self-love can bring to you, that this meaning really is for you? And if you can just breathe and settle into the space even more. Acknowledging if you're maybe resisting, if you have any feelings that don't feel good, can you be in this and just stay with it? Contain what doesn't feel good. Be in the discomfort. Stay here for just a bit longer. Why? Why do you feel this? Why are you not wanting to be in this? Taking a really big deep breath in and just knowing it's okay. And exhaling all of the concerns out. And maybe coming back to your heart space and acknowledging this area. When you can allow yourself to be with emotions that you don't really know, that you don't feel safe with, You're allowing many pieces of you that have been split off to be here. You're welcoming the things that want to be healed, and you're allowing the body to tell the stories that have been repressed. I'm going to let this exercise be as it is. Your ability to be in the self-love by tuning into your heart is the same as tuning into the pains, to the disassociation. It's a slow process. It's very gentle. But if you can just allow yourself to take some time to receive whatever is in the now, it doesn't have to make sense. You are allowing the healing process to find its own trajectory and to follow suit. Remember that we're not always in control, but being here is an invitation to kind of see where the spiritual realms, the soul really wants to take you. And that is almost even more powerful and exciting than needing to be in control all the time and having all the answers. So I leave this practice with you. If you've tried this, please let me know in the comments below. I will see you in the next clip.